it's Adrian here for IAmJadoreTV, back again with another archive video. I told you guys I'm rolling it out. I'm on top of things again. I'm rolling out. I've got a lot of time because there's a hater out there has taken my Instagram's account down. 5 accounts, 2 of them I didn't even really use, but they have taken my main 3, which is the event page, obviously my main photography page, which is IAmJadoreTV, and my shop by Jadore, which was fashion. Didn't even have any violations at all. I don't know, there's a hater out there, guys, somewhere. The hate is strong, but if you ain't got haters, then do you know what I mean, you're doing something wrong. But I'm in the works of getting it back. The reasoning they said was absolutely ridiculous. They said I'm out here human trafficking. Yeah, exactly, that's the BS reason that they gave, but I'm in the works of getting it back. So if you guys can support me on my personal one, this is my personal branding one, which I was going to launch, well I have launched already, but I was going to be taken more seriously this year anyway, which is always the plan and the goal. So if you want to go and support me there, guys, if you want to try and help me get my account back, go to my community tab. There's some instructions there how you can go and help, so I'd appreciate any help from you guys. But right now I have this shoot in Portugal. Started off with some boudoir, then we're going to go on location, which will be back in the exact same location for our event in literally a couple of weeks. But we have this stunning first shoot that we just saw in the boudoir. Now back onto location in the famous JTV bikini set. One thing I do have to say is I do actually really love shooting in overcast skies. This was kind of semi-overcast, as you can see a bit of blue sky there as well, but the overcast sky creates for some amazing even light. The colors are enhanced on your camera when you're using that nice even light. Like, I love the colors on my camera when it's overcast sky. You'd think that I'd want sunny, which I feel like it has its place, like it's for a specific type of look, and it can change the colors as well, and the model has to be posed in a specific position so they don't get, do you know what I mean, the panda eyes and stuff like that. So it's a very specific look. I like it, but I think it has its place. But as a general shooting for most things, I think this is the perfect light. Like, as you can see, you do get some blue skies in the back, but the where the light is hitting and the sun isn't hitting is behind the clouds. That makes a lot of deep colors in the photo, especially for video as well. So, and you don't get a frowning model because it's so bright.
Peppers. Yeah, that's banging. Love that. Nice.
Now, something that I thought was common knowledge that I've been doing for many years is I always shoot in mechanical shutter. People always ask me, like, why can't I hear your camera? Like, why does it sound like that? A lot of people still use electronical shutter or first curtain shutter. I'm always using mechanical, and that's because that allows me to have deep colors with the full 14-bit RAW. So you want to check your manufacturers. Obviously this is with Canon, or specifically my Canon R6, so it might be different with the varying models, but as far as I'm aware, mechanical shutter will give you more color depth with the 14-bit RAW. That's why my colors are so deep in my edits and whatnot. So you'll definitely want to check your cameras. If you're not shooting in 14-bit RAW, or you're not shooting with mechanical shutter, then the electronical shutter, you will be in 12-bit. So those couple bits, don't get me wrong, it can make quite a big difference, especially when you're in the shadows. You want to play with the shadows, the light and dark. That definitely can help a lot, those extra 2-bit. So definitely check that. That's probably one of the game changers for me when I figured this out years ago. You definitely notice it as well when I've had other photographers actually change their camera settings, and they've noticed a great deal of detail when they're shooting in 14-bit RAW or the higher bit to whatever camera that you have. This grass looks so perfect.
I know, it's not real.
Nice. Nice. Hold that, hold that. Nice. Love that, love that. Fire.
Oh, did we just want to do like lungy things too?
Yeah. You know the one where your knees down and then leg, like you're on the ground?
Like this?
That knee, like that. Like that, tuck it under yourself.
Oh, this one? Wait. What?
Put that knee forward. Here. Just, no.
This knee forward?
Yeah, just, no. that one. Just, and then stretch that leg back now. No, keep that leg how it was. And now stretch that leg one. Yeah, there we go.
Honestly, sometimes I think our verbiage is just different.
Yeah.
Something I think you might put flat. This one? Or do you like it?
No, flat. That's it. And then can you sit down on it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice, hold that. Hold that. That's it, hold that when you was looking back, yeah? And then and your hand was on your hip, so there, that's it.